Western Mass News is digging deeper on the new mask guidance from the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. That guidance recommending fully vaccinated people wear masks indoors in public places where transmission is substantial or high.
But how does the CDC define that risk, and how close are we here in Western Mass? Our own Audrey Russo is getting answers tonight. She joins us live from Springfield with more. Audrey.
So based on the CDC's data, none of the 3 counties we cover are in the substantial or high transmission zones yet, but we found one county is edging towards it.
I know it's not comfortable, but just until, we are clear about everything and everybody gets their shots.
Then Leslie Hisela de Jesus is okay with the idea of playing it safe. Her family was quarantined with COVID-19 before, and she's especially in support of the idea of her daughter wearing a mask to school.
I don't want her to get it again. It's all about precautions, because you never know.
The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention is now recommending that fully vaccinated people wear masks indoors in regions where community transmission is substantial or high. We found that by the CDC's definition, substantial transmission is 50 or more new cases per 100,000 people over a 7-day period. High transmission, 100 new cases or more. Western Mass News digging deeper using the CDC's county-level transmission tracker found Hampden County has 41.81 new cases per 100,000 people. Still in the moderate zone, but closing in on substantial. Hampshire County is also in the moderate zone, but faring better with around 13 new cases per 100,000 people. However, East Hampton Mayor Nicole LaChapelle is unsettled by statewide trends.
Seeing, double-digit % rises is very troubling.
When asked if she would consider reinstating a mask mandate,
we will consider that, absolutely. Everything's on the table.
Franklin County fits the CDC's definition for low transmission, with fewer than 10 cases per 100,000 people. The CDC is also encouraging more vaccinations.
We're about 66%.
For LaChapelle, she's hoping people will continue to protect both themselves and those who are more vulnerable or too young to get the shot.
It looks more and more likely that you can be vaccinated and you can carry the Delta variant and shed it to somebody who's not vaccinated, or even somebody else who is vaccinated and perhaps didn't intake that vaccine as strong.
Now, one important thing to note, the transmission rate has no bearing on the CDC's guidance, updated mask policies surrounding schools. They say that anybody who enters a school this fall, teachers, students, staff, should be wearing a mask regardless of their vaccination status and regardless of the transmission rate in that community. Now, there's still no word from the state on how they'll come down on the CDC's guidance. Live in Springfield, Audrey Russo for Western Mass News.